Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. With reference to hornbill conservation in Asia, consider the following statements. 1. Hornbills are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Africa. 2. The Great Indian Hornbill is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. 3. Recent genomic studies have provided insights into their evolution and population history. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1. 2. IUCN. 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. Hornbills are found in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Africa. Recent genomic studies have indeed provided insights into their evolution. However, the Great Indian Hornbill is listed as vulnerable, not critically endangered, on the IUCN Red List. சரியான பதில் 1 3. IUCN vulnerable. Question 2. Heavy rainfall events leading to floods in parts of peninsular India, such as Karnataka and Gujarat, during the monsoon season are often influenced by which of the following factors? 1. Active monsoon trough over the region. 2. Formation of low-pressure areas or depressions over the Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea. 3. Orographic lifting due to Western Ghats. 4. El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO, conditions. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 2 3 4 ENSO. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. Active monsoon trough, low-pressure systems, and orographic lifting by Western Ghats are direct causes of heavy rainfall in these regions. While ENSO influences the overall monsoon, it's not a direct factor for specific heavy rainfall events in the way the first 3 are. சரியான பதில் 1 2 3. ENSO. Question 3. Livestock insurance schemes, like the one announced in Tripura, typically aim to provide financial protection to farmers against losses arising from which of the following? 1. Death of livestock due to disease or accident. 2. Loss of milk production due to adverse weather conditions. 3. Theft or permanent total disability of insured animals. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 2 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. Livestock insurance schemes primarily cover death due to disease, accident, and permanent total disability or theft. Loss of milk production due to adverse weather is generally not covered, as it falls under crop insurance or specific weather-based schemes. சரியான பதில் 1 3. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding seismic waves. 1. P waves are compressional waves and can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. 2. S waves are shear waves and can travel only through solids. 3. Surface waves are the first to arrive at a seismic station during an earthquake. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 B. 2 S. 3. The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. P waves, primary waves, are the fastest and can travel through all mediums. S waves, secondary waves, are slower and can only travel through solids. Surface waves are the slowest and arrive last, but cause the most damage. சரியான பதில் 1 2. B is. Question 5. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus, hypocenter, of an earthquake is known as the. The correct answer is epicenter. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the hypocenter, focus, where an earthquake originates. The hypocenter is the actual point of origin within the Earth. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Which of the following is the primary cause of most destructive tsunamis? The correct answer is large submarine earthquakes. Large submarine earthquakes, particularly those occurring at subduction zones, are the most common and powerful cause of destructive tsunamis due to the sudden displacement of a large volume of water. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. Regarding tsunami waves, which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is their wavelength decreases and wave height increases as they approach the coast. As tsunami waves move from deep ocean to shallow coastal waters, their speed decreases, their wavelength shortens, and their wave height dramatically increases, leading to the destructive wall of water effect. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. This phenomenon is primarily associated with. The correct answer is convergent plate boundaries. The Ring of Fire is characterized by a nearly continuous series of oceanic trenches, volcanic arcs, and volcanic belts and plate movements. It is a direct result of plate tectonics, specifically the movement and collisions of lithospheric plates at convergent plate boundaries. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Which of the following types of volcanoes are characterized by broad, gently sloping cones built up by layers of fluid basaltic lava flows? The correct answer is shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are characterized by their broad, gently sloping profiles, resembling a warrior's shield, formed by highly fluid lava flows that spread out over large areas. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following conditions is not essential for the formation of a tropical cyclone? The correct answer is strong vertical wind shear. Strong vertical wind shear actually hinders the formation and intensification of tropical cyclones by tilting the storm's vertical structure. Weak vertical wind shear is essential for a cyclone to develop vertically. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. The Coriolis force plays a crucial role in the development of tropical cyclones by. The correct answer is deflecting winds and causing them to spiral inwards towards the low-pressure center. The Coriolis force is responsible for the spiraling motion of winds in a cyclone. It deflects moving air to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere, leading to the characteristic cyclonic rotation. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Which of the following best describes the difference between a tropical cyclone and a temperate cyclone? The correct answer is tropical cyclones derive energy from latent heat of condensation, while temperate cyclones derive energy from temperature differences between air masses. Tropical cyclones are heat engines fueled by the latent heat released during condensation of water vapor over warm oceans. Temperate cyclones, extratropical cyclones, are driven by the interaction of warm and cold air masses along fronts, deriving energy from temperature contrasts. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Which of the following is not a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution of India? The correct answer is right to property. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act, 1978, and made a legal right under Article 300A. Sariyana Badil. 44 1978 300 A. Question 14. Which of the following Harappan sites is known for its unique water management system, including a series of reservoirs and an elaborate drainage system? The correct answer is Dholavira. Dholavira, located in Gujarat, is renowned for its sophisticated water management system, which included rainwater harvesting and a series of interconnected reservoirs to store water. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. What is the primary function of a geostationary satellite? The correct answer is to provide continuous and fixed position observations for weather forecasting and communication. Geostationary satellites orbit the Earth at an altitude of approximately 35,786 kilometers directly above the equator and move in the same direction and at the same rate as the Earth's rotation, making them appear stationary relative to a point on the ground. This makes them ideal for continuous communication and weather monitoring over a specific region. Sariyana Badil. 35786. Question 16. Primary P waves generated during an earthquake are characterized by which of the following properties? P. The correct answer is they are compressional waves. P waves are compressional waves, meaning they push and pull the ground in the direction of wave travel. They can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Sariyana Badil. B. Question 17. Which type of volcano is characterized by a broad, gently sloping cone built up by successive flows of fluid basaltic lava? The correct answer is shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are formed from highly fluid, low-viscosity lava flows that spread out over a large area, creating a broad, gently sloping profile resembling a warrior's shield. Sariyana Badil. Question 18. Consider the following statements regarding tsunami. 1. They are usually caused by underwater earthquakes. 2. Their speed significantly decreases as they approach the coast. 3. In the open ocean, their wave height is typically very large. Which of the statements given above is correct? 1. 2. 3. The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. Tsunamis are primarily caused by underwater earthquakes. Their speed decreases and wave height increases dramatically as they enter shallower coastal waters. In the open ocean, tsunamis have very long wavelengths but small wave heights, making them often undetectable by ships. Sariyana Badil. 1 2. Question 19. Which of the following conditions is least conducive for the formation of tropical cyclones? The correct answer is strong vertical wind shear. Strong vertical wind shear, significant change in wind speed or direction with height, disrupts the vertical structure of a developing storm, preventing it from strengthening into a tropical cyclone. Other options are favorable conditions. Sariyana Badil, vertical wind shear. Question 20. Recently, heavy rains and subsequent evacuations were reported in Gujarat. Which of the following factors generally contributes to intense rainfall events in coastal regions of India during the monsoon season? The correct answer is orographic lifting. Orographic lifting occurs when moist air is forced to rise over mountains or elevated terrain, leading to condensation and heavy rainfall on the windward side. This is a common phenomenon along the Western Ghats and other coastal ranges during the monsoon. Sariyana Badil, orographic lifting. Question 21. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an example of which type of plate boundary? The correct answer is divergent boundary. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a classic example of a divergent plate boundary where new oceanic crust is formed as tectonic plates move apart. Sariyana Badil. Question 22. Which of the following technologies is primarily used for detecting and reporting tsunamis in the open ocean? The correct answer is DART buoys. DART, Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunamis, buoys are crucial for real-time detection of tsunamis in the deep ocean by measuring pressure changes caused by the passing wave. Sariyana Badil, DART. DART. Question 23. The Mercalli scale is used to measure which aspect of an earthquake? The correct answer is intensity. The Mercalli scale measures the intensity of an earthquake, which describes the effects of an earthquake on the Earth's surface, humans, and structures. The Richter scale measures magnitude, energy released. Sariyana Badil. Question 24. Lahars are one of the most destructive hazards associated with volcanic eruptions. What are lahars primarily composed of? The correct answer is fast-moving mudflows of volcanic debris and water. Lahars are destructive mudflows or debris flows composed of a slurry of pyroclastic material, rock debris, and water, often triggered by heavy rainfall or melting ice snow on a volcano. Sariyana Badil. Question 25. Recently, Kodagu district in Karnataka experienced heavy rains, leading to school holidays. This region is known for receiving significant rainfall, primarily due to its geographical location and the influence of which monsoon branch? The correct answer is Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. Kodagu district is located in the Western Ghats region of Karnataka, which receives abundant rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon as it strikes the windward side of the mountains. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.